So this is the situation of Krishna Vrindavan, his most amazing Lord. Every other Lord has weapons, Krishna has no weapons. Every other Lord has a wife or children. Shiva has a wife and children. And Ram has a wife and children. Narayan has a wife, doesn't have any children, Vaikuntha. And he has so much responsibilities. Narayan is in everybody's heart. And he's also on the Mahavaikuntha in the material world. And he's also on his own planet. And he's busy maintaining everything. Krishna's like, gets up when he wants, sleeps when he wants, eats when he wants, says whatever he wants. He's the most unique form of Bhagavan. He has no wife, no children, no responsibilities, nothing. He can go in and out of the house anytime. He goes out every night at 10 o'clock, comes back every morning at 6 a.m. No one says anything. He just plays. All he does is play. That's why he's Leela Purushottam. It's the most extraordinary thing. And every other Lord, he stands in some official way, or he sits on something. He has some wahan. Every other Lord has a carrier, or he stands in a certain way, a very official way. Shiva meditates. He sits very straight at Mount Kailash, Padmasana, or Siddhasana, whatever. He's very formal. He has a big job to do. He's storing up his energy so he can do pralaya, destroy everything. He goes from the coldest place, then he goes to the hottest place. And he sits in the snow. We make paintings in Assam, but he actually meditates in the snow. He just sits in the snow in Kailash, meditating and chanting Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Sankarshan. But then when it's pralaya, then he expands into the 11 Rudras, and they start burning down the universe, and he starts dancing. So from freezing cold ice, then he starts dancing in the middle of the whole universe is burning, and he's dancing in the middle.